Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Picture this: you're chilling on your couch, scrolling through your phone, and then boom, you're mining crypto. No expensive equipment, no skyrocketing energy bills, just your smartphone and a couple of taps a day. Sounds almost like science fiction, right? Well, welcome to the Pi Network. In today's video, we're going to be exploring whether Pi Network is going to be one of the next Bitcoins or Ethereums, or just another app vying for your attention. Is it a game changer for passive income and wealth building, or is it just another dud? Well, stick around and I'll walk you through everything: the features, the pros, the cons, user reviews, and most importantly, my honest verdict. But before we dive in, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It's free, just like Pi mining. And if you're serious about leveling up your financial game, then smash that subscribe button and join the community of wealth builders. Alright, let's decode this app. About Pi, the Pi Network was founded in 2019 by a team of Stanford graduates who believed cryptocurrency should be accessible to everybody. And it's not just tech geeks with expensive mining rigs. Their mission: to build the world's most inclusive digital currency. And guess what? You don't need anything more than just your smartphone to get started. So Pi is currently in its beta phase, ramping up for its token generation event, which means that it's currently not tradable, but it is transferable to your mainnet wallet. But the app allows you to mine the coins just by simply logging in and pressing a button. Think of it like a social experiment with the potential to change your financial future. Now, even though it hasn't been tradable from the coins accessible from the app, the price of the coin you've been able to track for actually a couple years now, with it staying at about $30 for the past 2 years. But recently, they are pushing their KYC verification as of the upcoming token generation event, speculated to be in about 100 days. And because of that, you can see a huge upward trend on the Pi token here, with it being up 115% in the past 30 days, which is wild. And it's currently sitting at 85.14. Now, just because the tokens that you're mining not currently accessible does not mean the token isn't being traded either. It's actually available on these 4 exchanges here. I do believe it's just these 3. If you can somehow figure out to get that one for $6, good for you, but don't do it, because as you can see, there's no trust score here. But it does have a 24-hour trading volume of $743,000, so I do believe that is from them also moving their tokens to their mainnet wallets. A little bit more info of who they are here. You can see that it was officially launched in 2019. They have over 35 full-time core team members, and you can see the 2 founders here and learn more about them. But the main thing I want to highlight here is that Pi also offers a node, so you're able to install this on your Mac or Windows if you'd like to access it from your computer as well. Alright, so with that being said, how does it actually work? Well, let me break it down for you. It's really straightforward. You're just going to download the app with the link provided to get your bonus referral boost, create an account, and verify your identity. It's a lot easier to do it now. You don't have to. As you can see here, I have not completed the full KYC. And then you log in and tap this mining button here. And as you can see, it will calculate how much you are earning. And there are multiple ways to boost your total mining rate, as we are at 0.0131, currently sitting at 10.5, which at that current price is about $800 US. Now, one thing to be noted is that The unverified here is unverified because it was mined by a referral who has not verified their KYC yet. So once that is done, then the tokens are then transferred to your account. Now, before we hop into the app, I just wanted to highlight that if you are interested in the node, you're going to want to just come right to here when you sign up. It is going to give you a little application to submit. If you do not do that, then you will be just sitting there the whole time wondering, why is this node not working? After you get the app installed and all signed up, when you first log in, your screen is going to look like this. All you're going to have to do is hit where this green button is, and that is going to start your mining, and it is as simple as that. Now, there is one other feature that Pi offers for smartphones, which you can see at the top here is the Pi browser. And if you choose to install their browser, it's going to look a whole lot like this. Now, currently, it does not offer much more than these features here, and if you do select the mining option, it will just direct you to the Pi mining app. I do believe that they will implement something in the future to increase the earning through their network. So how is it free and able to accrue so much passive crypto without draining your battery? Well, the app uses what is called a proof of stake model. Unlike Bitcoin's energy intensive proof of work model, which is the whole coding and the computers and everything. So this is a lightweight, eco-friendly way of mining. Plus, you can increase your mining rate by inviting friends or joining a security circle, a feature that builds trust within the network. So let's go over the benefits of Pi mining. Would be the accessibility. There is no fancy gear or coding knowledge required. You just need a phone and internet access. There is very low commitment. It just takes a second a day. You just have to sign on, click mine, and it runs for 24 hours. And community growth. This community has been growing stronger and stronger over the past 6 years, and a community is a key contributor to value when it comes to cryptocurrency, especially at token generation events. Here's a fun fact. When Bitcoin launched in 2009 to the public, people dismissed it as a nerdy experiment. Fast forward today and early adopters are millionaires. Now I kind of wonder if Pi could follow in the same trajectory. I guess that's the $1 trillion question. Now, no product is perfect, and the Pi network is no exception. So let's weigh the good and the bad real quick. Pros would be that it's completely free to use. Eco-friendly compared to traditional mining, and there's a great potential for it to actually appreciate once it's tradable. Now, the cons would be that there's no current monetary value yet. There is a price attached to the token, but that cannot be guaranteed to be the exact price when the generation event happens. You're betting on the developers and their promises. The Pi network has been promising to roll out a token for almost 6 years. Now, according to their plans, it was expected to roll out at the end of December this year. It looks like it will be about February in 2025 that it comes out, so it's a great time to get in now, actually. Alright, so pulling up the latest reviews, we have a 4-star review saying that it's the best way of blockchain could go. There seems to be some lag issues that starts to frustrate people. Someone saying that it's slow and glitchy. It wouldn't let them create a wallet. Here, it's all in all a good experience, but the app isn't opening for me today. Give it 5 stars because they're quick to fix any issues and constantly update the app network. 3-star saying we do not know when the Pi coins will be received and the value, but with regards to the app is great, very user friendly. You get to share features for Facebook and other social medias. Pretty good experience so far. So based off just the most relevant reviews, I take from it that the app is promising and it has potential. Sometimes it's a little laggy and glitchy along the road. And as Pi has been going along all these years, people have been unsure of the value of the token when it will generate and the actual token generation date. So what's unique about the Pi token compared to, say, Bitcoin or Ethereum? Bitcoin is kind of like digital. Bitcoin is like digital gold. It's rare, valuable, and it can be expensive to mine. A lot of work put into it. Ethereum is essentially the backbone of a lot of decentralized apps and the smart contracts that run on them. And Pi, on the other hand, is positioning itself as the currency for everyday transactions. It's not really competing with these giants, it's kind of carving out its own niche, which will be great to see when it finally comes out. So my final verdict, is the Pi network worth your time? Well, in my opinion, it's like planting a seed. Will it grow into a mighty tree? Who knows? But since it costs nothing but a few seconds a day, there's not much to lose, and I do truly believe in the potential. And if you're curious about crypto and you don't want to risk your hard-earned cash, the Pi network is a great entry point. Don't bank your entire future on it. Think of it as a fun experiment with a huge potential upside. Now, do you think the Pi network is the future of crypto or just another fad? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insights on making money online and building wealth. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious, keep trucking down your road to financial freedom.